Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Delta app not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you might want to try is simply go ahead and force close your Fly Delta application and try to reopen it, which should go ahead and clear all the bugs. If that doesn't work, you might need to clear cache and data. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings and scroll all the way down to apps. Then you want to simply go ahead and look for the Fly Delta application, and then simply go ahead and look for the storage offload section. But if you don't find it in the app section, you will definitely find it in your general and iPhone storage. This is where you want to simply look for the Fly Delta app, and then tap on offload app and offload it. Once you've done so, simply go ahead and reinstall it. What this will do is it will clear any kind of cache and data that has been stored temporarily, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.